of our Security Fabric series, we will highlight the SSO and Identity Connectors. If you're familiar with FortiOS 5.6, there's no major change here other than that they are moved inside the Fabric Connector section to provide simple views of the different types of connectors connecting out of the Security Fabric. Down below you can see an SSO Identity section which allows you to connect to Radius, SSO, or Active Directory. These connectors are then used to create user groups, and those user groups are used within policies. The thing to highlight here is external threat feeds. For this example, we will use AWS and GuardDuty. GuardDuty is a service provided by AWS that allows for Amazon to detect malicious activity within your cloud infrastructure and monitor those events and create potential block lists based on that traffic. We provide Ask from Fortinet, a service to allow you to monitor GuardDuty data and use that as an external threat feed inside your infrastructure. This threat feed is generated from inside the same AWS VPC created in the cloud infrastructure above. However, when I create a threat feed, I can now see that it is matching a specific address. Inside Amazon AWS, there is an S3 bucket with a list of IP addresses. These IPs are dynamically detected from the Amazon infrastructure, as some IP is sending malicious traffic to some of your Amazon AWS protected hosts. These IPs are monitored by a cloud service and then stored in this list, which can be retrieved by the FortiGate. As this list of IP addresses changes, the FortiGate can use them to do different things. In this example, we've set up an IP address external threat feed, which will retrieve the list of IPs from the URL we just looked at. From here, we can click on the View Entries inside FortiOS, and it will show the same IP addresses and how they are now valid to be used within policies and block lists. Because this is a list of IPs, I may want to have this used within DNS filter to block DNS resolution to those IP addresses. If I go to the Security Profiles and DNS filter, I now have an option to create an external IP block list. Turning this on, I can pick the AWS IP blacklist that I had defined earlier. Selecting the AWS IP blacklist here will allow the DNS filter profile to block all traffic that resolves to any of those IP addresses. As the IP address thus changes, the FortiGate configuration does not need to change. It updates dynamically based on changes on the cloud service. These are just a few external connectors available within FortiOS 6.0. This concludes this installment in our Security Fabric overview series. Thank you for watching. For more videos in this series or other technical videos, visit video.fortinet.com.